What the fuck? Hell, my hell. Call me Steve. I'm fucking losing my fucking mind. I ain't mean that shit, Stink. I'm sorry. Bitch, you ain't the only female out here. Like, what's going on? That nigga, I swear to God, you had it. Let me see that nigga at your house. I'ma blow his shit off. I'ma blow his shit off. Stop fucking playing with me, yo. Stink, I ain't mean that shit, Stink. I will lie here. I'ma go see the counselor. I'ma get help, Stink. Like, this shit ain't me. It's these pills, Stink. It's these pills that's making me say that stupid shit.
Swung now. What? Wait. What? I step. Hey, why you? He tried to move like, wait, but I was on the inside. Oh. Cause when I stepped in, now, woo, disappeared. I could have hit you in the kidney and the medulla oblongata. Then because I moved.
Hey, excuse me, sir. Do you know where the cameras are?
Oh, yeah. Come over here.
Okay. Hey, what? Oh, hey, why are we running? Hey, why the fuck are we going so fast? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, bro. Hey, dude, I'm trying to look for the cameras. Hey, where the cameras? What the fuck? Hey, chill, bro. Chill. Hey, come over here, bro. Hey, where the fuck are the cameras? I'm trying to look for the cameras. Why are you fucking running? Bro, where are the cameras? Oh, where are the fucking cameras at? Where the cameras at? Tell me where the...
Right here, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Of course.
He's banging, y'all. He's banging. That shit popping, yo. Yeah. That shit good.
Think I want you anymore, Sarah, won't we? And I want you to be my one and only, Sarah.
Hey guys. Come on. How are you not dead?
What's up, bro? It's him. Have some bandages, bro. I'm gonna go now, cause like we can't be boosting like this. But it was nice seeing you.
Just turn to page 5.
Who must he? What is that?
Now follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. And my heart is falling.
When you don't tell the gang about the getaway plan.
Yeah, I've just seen you. Yeah. You gonna want it? You're in the sewer, aren't you? Well, I'm gonna put my shit away then I'll come out.
Different. I'll just see.
You might like that, yeah?
My man just pulled something out of plastic.
And that shit was fucking.
Today we're having french fries.
You not.
Matter of fact, your boots speak Chinese, boy. I think if I go to the night, buy a move, boot ass, boy.
Boy, your name NBA Fun Boy the third. Boy, your little ugly ass. And you thought you had the juice cut in your head. Your ass got mixed cranberry juice in your head, boy, my baby boy. And you got a motherfucking scar on your head. Your ass got hit with a wet metal CD disc, boy, your little ugly ass. You talking about you getting money with your auntie Shirley watch on, boy, my baby boy. Your ass got a funeral home director watch on, boy, your little ugly ass, boy, my baby boy. You look like you sell butterfly organs on the black market, your little ugly ass. Big boot ass, boy, your ass got Krispy Kreme dust on the bitch. Matter of fact, your boots speak Chinese, boy. I think if I go to tonight, Bartholomew move, boot ass, boy, my baby boy. Your ass look petty, boy, your ass look like a motherfucker. Cricket with psychic abilities, your little ugly ass, boy. Fat boot ass, I'll kick your back door in for a free part-time boot ass, boy. On my baby boy, your ass got the walk-a-thon service on him. Them bitches fat.
Big Boogie is a rapper. He a rapper. He like what he saying?
He do that big booty, show that big pussy.
Yeah.
Honestly, fucking terrified of spiders. I hate to admit it, but I just saw him. Where the fuck did he go? Hold on.
Green hair, that boy. Boy, oh, there, that boy. Afro hair, lip gloss, chin, that boy.
Bahamas with the Bahamas. It's one of the newest exclusive hotels.
Let me drive the boat.
Pizza, bro. Hey, can I get a pizza, bro? Bro, can I get a pizza? Bro, can I just get a pizza, dog? Dog, please. Please, dog.
Hey, how that peach cobbler tasting?
It's alright. I had better at the school capital.
Why you pumped that on like you did? I mean, you did get shot by
God damn!